Hello and welcome to SouthTech tutorials. Today I'm back with another video taking you guys through mail merging in MS Word. Mail merging is the automatic addition of names and addresses from database to letters. What I mean here is we can send one letter to different people in an organization. That means one thing we need to first have is all the information of the employees in the company or the information of students in a school. By the time we have that information, the administration can write a letter or an envelope sending it to those people. How important is mail merging? It makes sending of the same information, for example news. Let me say the administration of school is sending some news to the students. They will just write once and then they can use the mail merging procedure to send it to each and every student. So let's see how we can do that. I'll minimize. I've already created a folder and I named it mail merge. So you can create your folder on the desktop or in the documents. So for my case, I have already typed my letter that I'm sending to semester 4 students. These are the names of the semester 4 students. That means the letter will be received by Joe Musunguzi, Peter Ojek, James Paul individually. It is the same letter that will be sent to these different people, to the names of these different people. That means we are going to use mail merging procedure to do that. So in order for us to apply the mail merging, make sure that your cursor is at the top of your letter or the announcement that you have typed, and then you go to mailings. Click on start mail merge and we are going step by step. So we click on step by step mail merge wizard. You'll be presented with a dialog box. It's a letter that we are sending. That means we shall just leave it by default and we click on starting document. Step 1 and step 2 are by default, so we click on select the recipients. Since we are using the current document, we have to just click on select recipients, and this is where we are going to browse. To browse means to look for that table which is having the names of the students that we need to send this very letter to. So we click on browse and we look for the table that is having the information. I have stored mine in documents in a folder called mail merge. Then I click on student names. I just click on that file and I open. So this is the database. This is the table. We are sending this letter to each and every individual in this table. We click on OK. And then we click on next. So here we are now on step 4 of 6. We are about to get done, and this is where we click on more items. Click on name and then you insert. So you select them individually. You click on institute and then you insert. You do the rest in the same way. After you have finished inserting them on the very top of your letter, then you close. What these things are holding? This one will hold the name. The institute will hold the name of the institute, which is SouthTech Computer Education. The semester will hold the semester value. So let us organize these ones very well. Let's put them on separate lines for easier organization. And look, What this means is this letter will be sent to Joe Musunguzi, and this letter will also be sent to Qual. This letter will also be sent to Joanne. All the different names that you have seen in this table, they will all receive the same letter through mail merging. So let me come back to the letter where we were. So here now we are done with step 4 of 6. We have to go to step 5 of 6 by clicking on next, which is the preview your letters. So you can see this letter is going to be sent to Joe Musunguzi. This is now step 5 of 6. We haven't yet seen the rest of the guys. That means we have not yet completed our mail merge. Click on complete. We have now completed the mail merge. However, we are not able to see the rest of the pages. In order for us to see them, we click on edit individual letters. We are merging all the records, so we check on all and then you click OK. So if we scroll down, it is still creating for the rest. If we happen to scroll down, so you can now see the same letter has been sent to Peter Ojek. The same letter has been sent to James Paul, and the same to the rest. So this one clearly shows that the letter has been sent to each and every student in Aptech Computer Education. So guys, this is how we do mail merging in MS Word, and if this tutorial has been helpful to you, please subscribe if you are new and leave a comment. Thank you. So we can now save our work by going to File and click on Save As. We are saving it on the desktop because that's why I created the folder. Click on the desktop and select the folder Mail Merge. Click on Save. So in order for you to distribute this to each and every student, it is just a matter of you going to the printer service and they do the printing, and then you distribute by their names. So this process has been simplified by mail merging procedure. Our tutorial has ended for today, and I hope to see you in the next video.